Go to AberdeenNewsDeals.com. There will be multiple deals. Choose the one you'd like to purchase. Choose whether you want to log in, register as a new user, or check out as a guest. In this case, we are going to choose to register as a new customer. The following steps to process your order will be the same after registration. Fill out all fields and make sure to check the box for terms and use. Tap Create Account. Choose the quantity of the gift certificates you'd like to buy. Then tap Proceed to checkout. If you want to buy other gift certificates, tap Continue Shopping. From here, if necessary, fill out your information. Then tap Checkout. On this page, you will see your purchase. Check your email for confirmation of your purchase and a PDF copy of your vouchers. You can also tap the My Account button. This will retrieve a copy of your vouchers too. Tap the View Print button. This page will appear. Tap the Print Voucher button. Tap Print. Unless otherwise specified, please take your printed voucher to the business you purchased from in order to redeem your offer. Please allow 2 business days before attempting to redeem any vouchers. Thank you.